N-Intellifex. NSOFT Intelligence Artifex. It is an AI platform designed to leverage AI models trained on manufacturing data. Its goal is to enable real-time insights and automation across the entire workflow, spanning production, logistics, and administrative processes. At the foundation lies the workflow of the actual shop floor, supported by key legacy systems that manage, monitor, and analyze each stage of the process. Generally, the ERP is used for order management, while the MES serves as the core system for the production planning and manufacturing, production. For material procurement, SCM is used, and for inventory management, WMS is utilized. In addition to the core systems mentioned, enterprises often employ a variety of other legacy systems. A significant volume of data collected from these systems undergoes preprocessing and is then stored within the AI platform, forming a data lake, a centralized repository of data essential for developing AI models. The types of data aggregated into the data lake include structured data, semi-structured data, images, audio, time series data, multimodal data, etc. These datasets are securely stored within the AI platform, continuously grow over time, and are selectively utilized to power the development and training of AI models as needed. At the upper layer lies the AI and machine learning platform, which performs a wide range of advanced functions. AI plays many roles, such as optimization, knowledge expansion and knowledge system building, pattern discovery, reasoning, business recommendations, problem solving, type identification, anomaly detection, self-learning, issue prediction. AI goes beyond simply monitoring tasks. It retrieves data from the data lake, analyzes conditions and environments, and AI predicts outcomes that may not yet exist or will occur in the future. For this, the AI platform does not create new algorithms each time. Instead, it comes with a collection of open-source AI models and newly developed models, which can be used as needed. Users can also easily import custom models. Multiple models can be used simultaneously, and even non-experts can leverage AI since the platform selects and applies suitable models automatically based on user requirements. Each AI model has its own characteristics and structure, enabling the platform to select the most suitable model. Machine learning, deep learning, statistical analysis, and generative models complement each other to create reliable AI models, and these AI models collectively form a pool. Machine learning serves the role of traditional algorithm-based learning. It is used to develop data analysis and prediction models, applied in recommendation systems, demand forecasting, and anomaly detection, and serves as a core foundation, such as an analytics engine, within enterprise AI platforms. Deep learning is utilized for an advanced form of learning based on neural networks, designed to process unstructured data such as images, speech, and text. Deep learning is well suited for handling large-scale data and learning complex patterns. It serves as the foundation for advanced AI services such as computer vision, speech recognition, NLP, and LLMs, and is commonly integrated with GPU or TPU infrastructure in both cloud and on-premises environments. Statistical analysis is employed for systematic examination of data patterns and relationships within the AI platform, designed to support data-driven decisions through rigorous statistical validation and interpretation. Statistical analysis is essential for ensuring model reliability and business value by validating performance through hypothesis testing, providing generalization evidence via cross-validation, and bias variance analysis, and delivering actionable insights from model predictions. It serves as the foundation for trustworthy AI deployment, and is commonly integrated throughout the entire ML pipeline from data preprocessing to production monitoring. Generative models is the AI models designed to generate new data, such as large language models, diffusion models, and GANs. It serves as the core engine for creative AI services, including text summarization and generation, image and speech synthesis, and code generation, act as a key differentiator in modern AI platforms. Machine learning and deep learning analyze data to perform predictions or classifications, while generative models learn from existing data to generate new data. This can be seen as a progressive structure from machine learning, deep learning, generative models, with statistical analysis serving as a tool to verify the reliability and validity of the entire process. Through this integrated workflow, an AI model engages in a variety of activities such as optimization of conditions, pattern discovery, problem solving, anomaly detection, and so on. Through this integrated workflow, an AI model engages in a variety of activities. However, the outcomes produced by AI are generally universal in nature. This is because much of the data AI processes is not limited to a single company's proprietary information, but instead combines enterprise system data with large volumes of publicly available online data. N-Intellifex is designed to generate optimized outcomes tailored to the real-world circumstances of each enterprise, by enabling the integration of unique organizational information into the AI platform. This includes a company's own policies, operational strategies, cultural characteristics, economic environment, key KPIs, product attributes, and process-specific details. By embedding this contextual knowledge, the AI system can produce results that are not generic, but rather customized to the enterprise's needs. During the process of analyzing requirements and generating outputs, the machine learning and deep learning engines incorporate these contextual inputs. As a result, the AI produces outputs that are specialized and relevant to the enterprise, rather than universally applicable. Unlike typical LLM-based systems that rely on broad, unverified metadata, often making it difficult to trace sources or control data exposure, N-Intellifex differentiates itself by leveraging enterprise-specific data. This accumulated database is securely maintained exclusively within the organization, and is not exposed externally. Users have full control over this contextual data, with the ability to register, modify, store, or delete information at any time. These enterprise-specific contexts form a dedicated data library that powers and refines the AI's operations. Once the AI model and context are integrated within the platform, the system is able to generate results that are highly suited to real-world conditions. These outputs are then applied and utilized directly in operational environments. Through the interface module, the AI's outputs can be delivered to a wide range of applications. These may include legacy systems such as ERP, MES, WMS, and SCM, or extend to separate systems, agents, or even hardware components. In enterprise systems, AI results can be monitored via the user interface or delivered through components such as chatbots. Existing systems can also present AI analysis results with visual effects, for example, screen flashes, changes in numbers or text, while integration with hardware enables functionalities such as equipment control, warning lights, or alerts. Where necessary, AI-generated outputs can also be consolidated into a dedicated dashboard for broader visibility. N-Intellifex. N-Intellifex AI platform integrates metadata generated from the workflow's legacy systems, enterprise-specific contexts, AI model pool, to clearly analyze the information users seek and deliver precise results. Through these AI-generated results, users gain convenience in their tasks and obtain key insights necessary for decision-making. The N platform is a system designed to support the realization of an advanced, highly sophisticated workplace through cutting-edge technologies.